In this video, I will show you how to change your limits on Cash App. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, I'm currently here on my desktop on Cash.app and I'm currently logged into my account. Now to go ahead and check your current limits, once you're logged in, if you come to the bottom left hand corner, and what you're going to want to do is click onto account. And then if you come to this menu on the left hand side, you want to click onto limits. Now what it's going to do is show you your current limit. So you can click the show more button here and it's going to show how much you can send and receive, as well as your maximum cash balance and the amount that you can cash out per month. So if you're on a mobile device, then what you're going to want to do is open up the Cash App on your device, and if you click onto your profile icon up in the top right hand corner and press onto limits, you're going to see your current limits that way too. Now to go ahead and actually change your limits and increase this, what you're going to want to do is verify your identity. So as you can see from the official Cash App website, Cash App actually lets you send and receive up to $1,000 within any 30-day period. So to go ahead and do this, you need to verify your identity using your full name, date of birth and your SSN, which is your social security number. So once you've gone ahead and verified that and you've provided proof, they will be able to go ahead and give you higher limits. Now there are some circumstances, if they can't verify your account using this information, they might ask to provide additional information, and just to note that they cannot verify anybody under the age of 18. So basically, to increase your limits and change your limits on Cash App, what you're going to want to do is verify your identity completely following the guidelines on the Cash App website. And once you've gone ahead and done that, you will be able to send and receive up to $1,000 within any 30-day period. So that's how to go ahead and change your limits on Cash App. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.